All right, guys. So I'm just doing a quick recap. For thank God it's Friday. This week was one of those weeks for me. So LK was a trade of the day for me. Really nice trading at the open. I mean, the market was gapping down. Again, it's big China war, China virus, and the concern about slowdown of the economy. So it was gapping down a little bit, but now just sold off everything and came down. But it's not that bad. I mean, we are in a time that 1%, 2% pullback from all-time high. The people were panicking, but probably just a consolidation or something. I doubt that the stock is just this virus takes the whole market down, but who knows, really? Nobody knows. So we had a good watch list. I mean, the Gappers watch list, we had a lot of stocks, looking into that. I mean, we have no shortage of stocks in play, really. In this, I don't know who to thank. Thank to the market, the president, the Fed, China, virus, whatever. We have no shortage of really having stocks in play, and I think it's just getting better and better every year. I mean, the more liquidity and more volatility is really coming into the market, and just amazing. So for me, I just rolled out of the bed really late and just came and stole the watch list from Carlos and Norman Thor and pre-market show. LK was the usual suspect. I mean, this is a stock that is our usual suspect. We traded in the last couple of weeks a lot. So again, since the end November, there is something about this company, and you see that volume has gone up crazy up. I don't know even what this company is, to be honest. We just traded. So see, there was not a lot of volume in the past, and now since November, just volumes are crazy, and really it becomes volatile. And we love trading. It really gives us nice moves. Not easy to trade necessarily, but really giving us good moves. So for me, opened really weak. So LK opened really weak, dropped. Did a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup, but again, I had an issue with my computer. I had to quickly restart, and again, I missed. It happened also this week too, so I had to really miss this 1 minute opening range breakup. It did bounce back, and I went short on this pullback to the VWAP. So someone asked me, okay, what was the entry for you? I mean, if I were waiting, see this candlestick, this is actually not a good sign, because the stock really squeezed back up around this 35 level. So it's not a really good sign. But I did go short, a small share size, but my risk was small. The good thing about having a good entry that the VWAP is your risk is small. I wouldn't go short here, because of this. So if it was pulling back, I definitely wouldn't have gone short here, because now because of this candlestick, it's just a concern for me. Because why we squeezed like that? If it was really weak, what? But because I got a good entry, I went short, and did drop. I added more. This ad was someone mentioned, oh, we don't have shares for short, and they're right. There was no S here, but I did get fill. And then I pressed it again. I did get filled again too. So that's why sometimes this short inventory is not updated. So sometimes you can actually press and see, because I think DAS is updated every 5 minutes or so. But I did get filled, and let me see what happened. Yeah, and the rest you can see it actually from I think the average was 35.60 or something, and the last piece we covered below 34. And I was hoping to hold some, but again, I for the last piece I made a mistake in limit order. I wanted to put 33.80, put 34.80 by mistake, and I just got filled immediately. Yeah, so that's a trade that I want to have a chat with you today, and yeah, so that was a 1 minute opening. Could have been a really nice opening 5 minute opening range breakdown as well. Again, that could have been a really nice 5 minute opening range breakdown. But I jumped in a little bit early to get a better entry. WWE was another stock that everyone in our community was watching it. Thor did a really nice trade on it, so he jumped in long at 46, and the rest is history. Now it went up all the way up to 51.33 is the high of the day. 51.33. The stock was gapping down, so the stock was really weak, but did a really nice 5 minute opening range breakup. And again, if I wasn't watching it, but you could really get a really nice entry for a 5 minute opening range breakup and see what happened. I think Thor did that. Thor, can you share your trade? I think he did share this trade. Let me see if I can find his. If Thor can share his trade with us, I can show it in here. He's not. All right, so I think there was. Let me see. I might have it open here. No, I don't. Let me see if I can actually find that. No. Oh, it's here. Oh, there you go. I found it. Yeah, so that's a trade that Thor did in the room. Yeah, so really nice entry at yeah. So as soon, you know, very nice patience. Did he drop back? So again, he trades based on this level 45.20 and 45.80. As soon as he bounced back, it was a sign for him. Also cross moving average crossovers at 45.80, and then the rest is history. You can see I think he got out all the way up to 48.80. So it's a really nice risk to reward. Amazing trading, and congratulating. A lot of traders also took that. So yeah, so I'm going to the off-topic chat and see if there is anything on off-topic chat people want to share with us. Gina, what did you do? Gina took yeah, ExxonMobil short, really nice 1 minute open range breakdown all the way up to here. Magic. M Foster, what you did? Amazon, yeah, Amazon sold off and then you took a reversal on that. So if you show us 1 minute, it would be better, because I don't know how you actually take this reversal. It says support and resistance level, so that's the support. Just bounced back, really beautiful. It's just very expensive. Mary, what did you do, Mary? WWE, yeah, so that's a 5 minute open range breakup. Beautiful, yeah, so 5 minute open range breakup. And again, you know, just long, sold. It seems that you got out a little bit too early, but you hold it through that, and then you have a stop loss somewhere around here. So it's beautiful trading. Congratulations. Juan Wee, or Juan, that's WDC. Yeah, some people had it on watch list. So again, you went for a 5 minute open range breakdown. You went short at 68 and covered at 66. Beautiful trading, really nice. I didn't put WDC on my chart, but I think Peter had it. Rishi, our trader from Seattle. Oh no, sorry, from San Francisco. So ExxonMobil, yeah. So you did clear down trade. It's a very nice trading. Rishi, you're from San Francisco, yes? So yeah, so that's a really nice down trade, and then follow the consolidation, and then as soon as the market opened, you went short right at the 1 minute. Yeah, beautiful trading. Very nice market, very nice journaling as well. Very, very impressive. Rishi, that's a really nice. What the software do you use for journaling? Yeah, so WWE is, this is Thor. Again, one and done today. Went long after retest of pre-market. Yeah, so that's a really nice journaling. Went long after retest of pre-market support. So yeah, we test this pre-market support. Long at 45.99 and all out on 50. Yeah, so all out here. Risk loss, new 1 minute low. So if you're making 1 minute low, so your risk would be here, and then this is your reward. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful trading. Very nice. Amen, our own Amen. What did Amen do? Oh, so you went long here and this consolidation, and then as soon as this volume started coming in, you went long again here at 48.80, and the rest is history. 48.80 to 50. Very nice, Amen. Very nice. Amen probably made more money in this trade than he makes as a doctor in Russia for 2 years. That's my guess. Because they make really low money in Russia. He told me that they make, yeah, the salaries are really low in Russia. Kevin ED. WDC, yeah, I mean, Peter and some people put this WDC here. Yeah, it's a beautiful open range breakdown. The only thing that I would be worried about this week is a little bit worrisome, but again, market was also weak, so if you manage your risk, that would have been a really nice drop. Very, very nice. Yeah, amazing trade, guys. If you are Dinesh is one of our traders, been with us for a long time. I learned a lot from Russia. Dinesh was one of those people that very early told me go trade options. And he's based in Montreal. I met him a couple of times, and now beautiful, you know, for as the breakouts, you go at 48.50 and then all the way up to 51.33. Very nice trading, very nice. Dinesh, are you still trading options? If you hear me, an off-topic chat. He's not listening to me. Oh, you're not trading anymore? I want to start trading options. So that's NNVC. Yeah, so the NNVC did a, yeah, I traded NNVC as well. So beautiful trade, $16 all the way to $17.50. Perfect. So I think that's it, guys. I mean, we had a really good day. I mean, I hope everyone had a good day. We're all gonna have a good weekend. I'm gonna be in New Zealand, guys, for 2 weeks. So I'll be back on February 13. I do plan to trade all the time that I'm there. So I take all of my setup and stuff. I might miss a couple of days in the plane and stuff, but I should be able to trade. All the best, guys, and yeah. So what I was going to say? Yeah. So I just yeah, I'm traveling. The market opens at 2:30 in the morning. So I don't know, man. It's just a little bit tough, but we'll see. And yeah, have a good day, everyone. I do wish the best for everyone, and we hope to see a New Zealand hat. Yeah, David, that's true. Oh, by the way, let me say another thing. So this is also important. So let me actually put the Daytrader. So Daytrader for the replay version. So for those of you who are with interactive brokers, you can have access to the replay version until end of February for free. But if you want after that from March 1st, you have to go and sign up to an add-on that they have. So this add-on, you know, add fundamental here. So shit, you can't do that. Just a little bit tricky, this pop-up. So yeah, so this add-on fundamental market data. So that's that is something that you have to add $15 a month. If they put the level 2, at this moment they have only level 1, but if they add level 2, I think they want to increase the rate a little bit. But if you buy the simulator from us, from Variable Trader, so again the real-time simulator, that if you go buy, and then you have to add, you know, $150 a month, and then the add-on replay would be $15. But if you buy it from us, I do, you know, we can give it to you $100 including the add-on. So I'm actually talking to them that, you know, instead of $165, if you buy it from Variable Traders in 3 months, you can actually get the same, you know, with the replay feature. So I'm gonna update you. But again, you know, at this stage, you have to reach out to them to activate this replay version for you. But it's gonna be costly. So good luck paying that. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you all Monday morning, possibly, if not Tuesday morning. Cheers, guys. Have a good weekend.